Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Scorpio from 15th till the end of December. So watch this video if you're a Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit and check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, the link is in the description. Now let's see messages for Scorpio. And Scorpions are one of my most favorite signs of all the zodiacs after Gemini, so I'm always very excited to read for you guys. All right, let's see your general message from 15th till the end of December. Also keep in mind time is fluid, so yeah, keep that in mind. All right, give me general message for Scorpio. Queen of Pentacles, Scorpio. So I see that some of you might be dealing with somebody who's very rich. So yeah, I mean, like, you might be dealing with somebody who has like a lot of money. This person hoards money, but it's not for the negative. Like, this person is very finance oriented and they like to make a lot of money, save a lot of money. So that can be that. For others of you, I see this is your energy that right now finance is a concern and you're trying to invest money, you're trying to save money, you're trying to hoard money, right? And a lot of your focus is on your stability. Like, you want to build yourself, you want to get financially independent, you want to get financially stable in life, so you're trying to focus on that. I also see marriage could be on cards for some of you, because Queen of Pentacle with the Four of Pentacle can be a marriage situation, but we will clarify more in the love spread of yours. For now, this could be a thing, but not necessarily, okay? So yeah, what else for Scorpio? Justice cards. Okay, so yeah, for most of you, I definitely feel like marriage is on cards, because Nine of Pentacles is marriage, Justice is marriage, and then Queen of Pentacles. So yeah, like Scorpio, if you're looking forward to marry and settle down and all of that, then that can definitely be happening in next 4 to 9 months. And I see money wise things are becoming very, very sorted for you. Some of you, you might be ending up with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a Libra. Okay, so Earth sign is very dominant here and Libra sign is very dominant. And I see that your finance is going to be very very good, so you might actually get an opportunity to make more money, and you will end up making more money, right? So your money situation looks really, really good. I also see that if you're dealing with something legal, then things are going to be on your side if you are the one who's correct in the situation. So yeah, it's like if you are fighting a legal situation and you are the one who's the genuine one, then I see you are going to be rewarded immensely for that. Okay, so I see big changes, I see new beginnings coming in, and I see you getting very stable. So things are becoming pretty clear for you. You are identifying your goals and ambitions, like you're getting out of a petty drama that was holding you back. And I see you are making your way towards stability very beautifully. You're transiting from a very dramatic energy to very stable energy, very abundant energy, okay? So your money situation looks really good to me. I don't know why this keeps popping, but yeah, like money looks good. Send some to me in my PayPal, okay? Just a side note. All right, now let's see your love situation. Scorpio, give me the present energy. Three of Swords. So maybe you are going through in the present. So there was like maybe you confessed your love to somebody and this person did not pay attention, or I see you got to know that somebody was having someone else in the picture. So maybe there was a third party situation or like a petty argument or drama that happened between you and someone with the Three of Swords. And I see that you just kind of pulled back from the whole love situation and you just try to you know, like take time, isolate yourself and not indulging with anything or anyone. So I see that you just became very, very practical over the time, and you were just trying to focus on your own energy and you were not wasting your energy on anything that brought drama in your life. You isolated yourself from that, okay? So what is coming towards Scorpio in love? So Five of Swords and Six of Cups. So I see that somebody who you had some sort of drama with. So, okay, I hate to say this and I never really believe in giving such predictions, but you see what the cards are saying here. I can't do, you know, anything. I'm just channeling the message for you. I asked what is coming towards you. I got the Five of Swords, Six of Cups, and Knight of Cups. So I see that somebody you kind of had a drama with, like somebody who was very defensive. So maybe when you approached this person, they were not very open, and this person just did not much pay attention to the situation, which kind of threatened you, and you felt like, why the fuck did I even express my love? This person did not pay attention. So I see that person is basically returning. With the Six of Cups is a reunion card, right? So I see somebody from the past is coming in with a lot of love, and this person could be the same person who broke your heart in some capacity. It could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Some of you, it's a Taurus, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio as well. So I see marriage. See, again, the Hierophant is showing here marriage. So I see that maybe you confessed your feelings to somebody for marriage, and they did not take you very seriously, which kind of broke your heart. And then you just distanced yourself from the situation, and I see the very person is now returning back, okay? So somebody is more serious towards you, and they want to express something to you. However, I see that you're trying to pull back and you're trying to focus on other things in life. Some of you, your career or some sort of responsibility is your priority these days, and you feel very exhausted and overburdened by a situation. It's like a lot of things are happening in your life at the same time. It kind of makes you feel very burdened, but still you're sailing through the situation. So maybe this person or this love is not a priority, but still I see somebody is making their presence feel in your life, and this person is going to be very prominently expressing you that yeah, they are back and they want things with you. Okay, what happened in the recent past between Scorpio and this person? King of Wands. There was a lot of passion, but I see, yeah, see, Ten of Swords. So I see there was a lot of passion, but it was missed because somebody did not acted in the moment. So somebody was not taking an action, like they missed onto taking an action, which led to dying of this passion. So something that was very sparkly and it was very prominent could not come into fruition because this person was not quick to act. Like for some of you, I also feel that this person made you feel like they were just like a fuck boy or a fuck girl, and which kind of put you off, and you were like, did I just made a mistake by confessing my love? So some of you, this person definitely made you second guess as to why did I express my love to this person. So that was what you felt, okay? Something like completely broke your heart and it led to emotional distress. See, Two of Swords, it really made you very, very confused. So a situation with somebody got so confusing that you started second guessing whether this was the right thing that you did or not. Some of you also regretted, why did I put in my energy? So I see because of all of this, you kind of pulled back because it was getting very overwhelming with the Four of Swords already here. We see that, you know, you have taken a break from all of this. And right now I see something else is on your plate and you're trying to manage some other things in life. So when it comes to love, I see you're pretty closed off with the Two of Swords and the Ten of Wands. And you're just trying to be sailing in your own life, managing a lot of things at once, basically. However, I see you are attracting somebody unknowingly or maybe knowingly, I don't know. Like you are secluded, but there is somebody who's coming towards you. Okay, what's going to be the outcome between Scorpio and this person? Ten of Pentacles. See, you are going to end up with this person, Page of Cups and the Eight of Wands. I see a lot of communication coming in. So right now, you don't want to invest in this person because you feel this person creates petty dramas. This is a very weird reading. How is somebody going from a drama bitch to a partner? Like, how the fuck is this transition happening here? Somebody here is a complete drama bitch and now they're turning into a husband or a wife. How is that happening? I definitely see somebody is going to be very open. A lot of messages coming towards you. See, Page of Cups is a message and Eight of Wands, again, communication. I see this person is going to reach out to you faster than you thought. So you kind of have an intuition that this person is going to confess back, but they are doing faster than you thought, okay? And I see that the outcome is Ten of Pentacles, which definitely shows marriage for some of you. Scorpio, it looks like this wedding season is for you. So many of you are getting married. And Page of Cups again shows marriage, you know. So, yeah, some marriage proposals are coming in. If you want to get married, if you want to put a ring on your finger, this is the time. And I see somebody, the same person who was not confessing in the past is now opening up. And all of this is happening very suddenly. Like you never expected this person to do things as fast as they're doing. See, Page of Cups is actually a surprise card. So somebody is very surprisingly acting very different. So in the past, they were ignoring your messages. They always dodged the question. And now they are like full into this connection. Okay, and what is Scorpio feeling towards this person? Hanged Man. Yeah, you're confused. Like this person, Two of Pentacles. See, you think this person is juggling you, and you think this person is not giving you the clarity that you want. Some of you also feel that this person is very defensive. There is sexual attraction between both of you for sure. So maybe you guys had a hookup or something. I don't know. That could have been one issue. Or maybe it was like it started with friends with benefit and then you fell in love, but this person did not fall in love. And now they are falling in love with you. And you feel that this person has repressed sexuality. So some of you, this person is not very sexually expressive as well. And they're very closed off. They look like a cold bitch. Cold mean bitch. So you think this person is a cold mean bitch. However, I see that this person is still communicating a lot. So yeah, I see you are not anticipating this person to open up as fast as they are about to. You are not expecting it right now. You feel that they might do it but later on. But yeah, I see somebody's coming towards you faster than you expected. Ace of Wands. See, something is just gaining momentum very quickly, you know, like things are happening very, very fast here. Ace of Wands again shows that the missing spark that was there in the connection is coming back. Some of you, there could be another round of a hookup, so pay attention, wear your protections. Okay, anyway, Three of Pentacles. I again see that you guys will be working onto this partnership. So yeah, something that was left midway because somebody was not taking action is going to pick back up. Okay, and I see you guys will be working together. It's like you thought that I'm not going to work with this person and I'm going to be all single by myself, but then this person steps in and now you're working together. So yeah, some of you, I also see a travel opportunity which is going to add to your money situation. Your money looks really good. Okay, so you have everything here: Three of Pentacle, Nine of Pentacle, Ten of Pentacle. All the Pentacle cards are here in your reading today. So some of you, some sort of travel opportunity is bringing in money. So yeah, Scorpio, you were hoping for a situation to work in love with somebody and then this person did not act right, but now they want to confess and they are ready to take this forward with you. So somebody is ready to make a move towards you. And I see you might actually be working on it too. Meanwhile, I also see some of you, you are going to have two options. So maybe one this person and one another person, and then you can choose which way you want to go. So there could be an option between a fire sign and an earth sign, or maybe a fire sign or an air sign. Some of you are also calculating your move. So it's like you're planning and you're trying to see where you're going to go next and what you're going to do in your life. And meanwhile, this person just walks into your life. Okay, what is the energy of this person towards Scorpio? Three of Wands. See, so you are planning and they are also planning. You both are planning. You are planning to move forward. They are planning to come towards you. Somebody is very determined to make a move towards you, and I see you will be forced to think about this person because they are coming in with such a determined energy. King of Swords, see? And the Judgment card. Very soon I see you will be making a decision about this situation. So yeah, like this decision has been pending for all this while. First, because you confess they did not agree. Now they are confessing you didn't agree. But then ultimately I see you will be forced to think about it and then you can make a decision, right? Some of you, I see more than one option, so you can decide which way you want to go. Regardless, I see a relationship on cards for some of you, and for most of you, I see a marriage as well. So if you are in that age where you are eligible for marriage, then yeah, that could be on your cards. Give me message for Scorpio, please. Let's build our world against all the odds. See, somebody is just like very determined to build a world with you against all the odds. My soul is awakening. I'm coming for you. Ooh. As I said, right? Somebody has hit some sort of realization and they realize how you are the one for them. So in the past, they were dodging the question, but now they want to build with you. So some sort of awakening, enlightenment has happened in this person's life. I don't know, maybe this person became very spiritual and now they are realizing your value, something like that. I feel the happiest with you. This person is also, I want to be alone for a while. So Scorpio, you are trying to be alone. However, this person has realized that you are their happiness. So in the past, they thought that they would do without you and you don't matter as much. But now they realize that their happiness is with you. And I see they are going to take an action towards you, like very firmly, okay? Alright, let's see romance angels for Scorpio. Religious factors. Some of you and this person are from different culture background. So that can be a hiccup between both of you. However, I see that you both like spending time with each other and you will be spending more time. Like I see a very casual, flirty, fun vibe between both of you, so you both connect on a fun element as well. So that can be that reconciliation. Didn't I tell you? An engagement. See, fuck, oh my god, very soon. Didn't I tell you this? Like, this was the whole reading, which is just seen here in 4 cards. So I see reconciliation, right? So there's definitely a possibility of reconciliation. Then we have very soon heart-to-heart conversation and engagement. I definitely see many of you engaging with somebody who was not expressing their love in the past. Like, this person was very closed off, and then you also kind of walked away, and now this person realizes that they are the happiest with you, so they want to come back and they are serious this time, and you might also be very happy. So it's like you are going to be very stubborn in the beginning, but you'll be like, this is also something I want, so why not? So that can be that. All right. And also, do not try to fit your situation in this. If you have dealt with somebody who has beaten the shit out of you in the past, and this person was abuser and toxic and all of that, see, no toxic or abusive relationship needs to be given a second chance. Okay, that's a common sense. So when you watch tarot readings, also have your common sense along with you, right? So yeah, if somebody was like beating the shit out of you and they were just abusive and narcissist and toxic and they almost killed you, they choked you and all of that, then you don't have to watch a tarot reading for them, right? You better go and see a psychiatrist if you are still looking for a reconciliation with such a person. Okay, this is for people who are having just minor disagreements, or there is some sort of cutoff and things were good, like they are two good people, but because of different situations they are not together. Then what's going to happen between them? Tarot readings are more for them. Okay, it's not for abusers and toxic people. No. You got your facts wrong. Okay, so keep your common sense along with you when you watch tarot videos. This is for people who just take everything literally. But regardless, I see a very strong reconciliation, and I see something turning into engagement as well. And before that, definitely I see a lot of serious talks happening, and I see a reconciliation here. Okay, so yeah, get ready for that. All right, I will see you in the next video. You guys take care, stay safe, bye.